Family, me nah make that money run off and we not pay tribute to the heritage. In a dancehall style, as we celebrate the foundation, Lee's Unlimited. Yeah man, big up Richie Lee's too, you know. Yeah, Daddy Lee's. The original Trevor Lee. Yes man. I want your signal if you miss Lee's Unlimited sound, you know. A long time we don't listen to Daddy Lee's, you know. Guess what? I just missed it. Big about St. Thomas Massive, Alton Black. One in the world.
I see the clock on the wall.
Where the girls them is concerned, we don't wonder.
Yeah.
Through the years in our Lee's Unlimited.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man.
You have given me the best of you.
Big up Trevor Lee, the general man. R.I.P.
Made my dreams come
Live forever.
true.
Lee's Unlimited.
And after all the things that you have done,
Well, Lee's though.
Liz, it makes me say that you are more than a
So it's a mini concert, yeah?
I'm dedicating this one to the champion sound.
Pick it every time.
You're the only sound to me in this all
And no matter how much years Lee's Unlimited no play,
dedicating this
I
one
could have 1 year or 20 year or 30 year.
You're the only
Let me tell you no this. Forever, ever.
Lee's.
Oh
Them can't hold you, Mr. Lee's. You got a leader, just your sight and your image and murder them.
The Performa.com. The Performa.com.